What's up, you guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna keep it light and simple and just have a little POV. This is my first week with the Leica M10-R. First day getting out and doing some street photography here, and yeah, heading towards the common spot to shoot here in 16th Street. So just kind of warming up with a few quick photos, and you know, not expecting too much, not expecting to make anything significant, but really just learning this camera and getting used to it. This photo right here, I got nervous going back up to them because they were like exchanging money, and just kind of took the photo, but it is what it is, nothing special. I really like your dress. So this is Union Station, and for whatever reason this time of year it's been really boring to just shoot around. It's one of the more interesting like architectural places, but I don't know, this time of year it's just really not hitting. This Christmas tree, I don't really think they ever decorated to its like full potential to really attract people to come take pictures in front of it or just hang around it. So the most interesting thing I found was this guy just sitting here on his phone. So I just decided to take a few quick snaps of him. Also, everything is being shot with the 28mm Voigtlander version 2 spherical. Good lens, a little too like clinically sharp for my taste, but still an amazing lens. Highly recommend it if you're looking into it. This scene, I didn't really know what to make too much of. The bus was coming, people were boarding the bus, and I kind of just wanted to really just test out color and just how well this camera performs in various lighting situations. And it doesn't disappoint. It doesn't disappoint at all. I just gotta personally get better at seeing color, and unfortunately 16th Street isn't necessarily the best place for it because it's kind of just covered in the gray stone below your feet and with the side of the buildings. So this is about day 2 or 3 with the camera. Again, just getting out. I had recently just finished a roll with the M6. Definitely check that video out. I'll link it in. More POV stuff. A lot of interesting photos and scenes that day. And then also my GoPro stopped just working and cooperating with me, and I would just keep starting and stopping it. I'm not sure why, so here's just a few collections of photos. So this photo right here I actually really like. I just saw the target symbols above this guy's head and thought it would just be an interesting like composition, making him look like he has Mickey Mouse ears. So this photo I actually really like. There's a lot going on in it, and I don't really know what took me so long to really come to like this photo, but I was initially taking everything in black and white and taking this photo in color, and seeing it in color. I really just liked the lady in the center, and that's the reason I took the photo in the first place. I liked her headphones, the glasses she had on, how kind of just in her own zone and protective she looked, and wanted to just snap the photo. And everything else around it, I feel like just complements the environment and the scene just that much more. So that about wraps up everything with this episode of this POV, and here's just a few other snaps I have. And what I like so much about like these last photos is just the color and learning to explore color. As you can see in this photo right here, the gray streets kind of just have this muted tone that I'm kind of just sick of and over, but these other photos like this one in this coffee shop, I just love the color, I love the mood, I love the tone. It just brings so much more emotion to the photos, and I feel like just entices you to just look at it longer, and I really enjoy that. And so I can't wait to continue to shoot more in color with this M10, and maybe even start giving color film a try again. That's a whole situation. If you know, you know. But check out my other videos regarding the Leica M10 and everything if you enjoyed this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great one. Peace.